Hi, I'm Terry with Eat, Crave, Create, and I love paper planners. I've loved paper planners for as long as I can remember. We're talking 4 or 5 years old, but that's a story for another day. With planning and paper planning, there are so many other supplies that we have. We have washi tape and stickers and pens. And what's a girl to do? Where are you going to store all this stuff? I finally found what I think is the perfect solution. And this is my planner cart. And I'm going to now walk you through everything I have on this cart, how I put it together, and why I think it's the perfect solution for all of your planning supplies. I'm going to walk you through each tray of my cart so you can see what I have in there. Hopefully it will give you some ideas for how to best organize your own planning supplies. On the top shelf, I have these gray desk organizers. I purchased these on Amazon and it was about $14 or $15 for 10 to 12 of these trays. And I loved these because they came in gray and white, and I wanted the gray to match my cart. And I do stack them just to make it easier to go from place to place if I'm gonna work at the kitchen table or on the floor of the family room. So I have some Post-it notes there, some stencils and stickers, and a few washi tapes here. Then I have my whiteout here and a few Erin Condren pens. These are my very favorite pens. I just absolutely love these pens. These are the Frixion and they're erasable. Then I also have some Sharpies and Frixion highlighters, a couple of those. This can either hold your planner closed or it can mark a spot. Have little magnet bookmark tabs, some clip-in bookmarks, and teeny tiny washi tape. Here's my washi chomper. Then I just have a little pencil case, and this is where I keep all my extra bookmarks, but right now I'm working on a project with them, so most of them are not here right now. On this second shelf, I keep my planner and my sticker books here on the end. And then in this box here, I've gone back and forth about how to do this. So at one point I wanted all of my stickers covered and I had them in boxes with lids, but that was just a little bit of a pain to get in and out of. And so I moved them into these boxes that you can purchase from Ikea. They're designed to go in drawers and help you organize your drawers. And I just have my sticker sheets in here with right now I just have index cards with the category until I figure out for sure the categories I want, and then I can make something cute. And then there's some of these that I've actually cut in half to make them fit better. At one point I had all of my long stickers along the edge of my cart, but they were a little too visible that way when I had my favorite little people over. And this way they aren't as likely to see what all's there. Because they do like to have fun with paper and stickers, but there's a different stash of paper and stickers for them. Now this box came with cards in it from Erin Condren, and I use it to keep all the compliment cards and holiday cards, just the things that sometimes come in the surprise boxes and things. I don't actually use them to send, but I use them as inspiration to maybe stick in my planner, stick on my desk, stick in a little frame, and just rotate things out. And so that I keep over here on the side. And then in this box right here, I have all of my books that are from, I've got it stuck on something here. In this box here are the sticker books that you get at Michael's or Hobby Lobby, and I keep all of them there because they fit real nicely. Then on the bottom shelf, I have my extra planning covers so that I can change them out from my planner. And then I have a box here that I keep all of my tapes for the P-Touch Embellish label maker, the extra film for the HP sprocket, and the instructions for both of those are in this box. And I just keep this, again, down in the bottom. I like that because it's easy to get everything in and out when I need it. On this other side, I have some plastic envelopes. I love these envelopes. And at one point I had all of my stickers organized in here. And I don't organize all of them in here, but I do still have things in here. I've got coil connectors in one. I have some stickers in one. And I keep things in this because it's easy to grab and go. If I'm going to be waiting in a car for a long period of time or going on vacation, this is just an easy way to take a few things and still feel like I'm having fun if I'm going somewhere where I would actually take my planner. If I'm flying or something like that, I don't usually take it, but if we're driving somewhere, I generally do. Not because I need it, but because it's my fun thing. So that's what I do. Okay, and that is my washi sticker. Now that brings me to my very favorite part of my planner cart, and that is my washi tape holders. These are magnetic towel rods that I purchased from Amazon. There were 4 in the set, and it was about $26 or $27. They can extend longer, but this is the perfect size for my cart. And again, I loved it because the color matches my cart so well. Someone asked if it was a pain to have my washi on these instead of in a way where I could pick it up like this and take it to where I'm working. But I really like this because I can see everything I have, or at least a large portion of what I have, rather easily. And when I'm getting ready to work on my planner, I know which washi tapes I need, and I will take them. And for example, if I want this camera, I will, okay, we're not gonna do that one because my eyes are not seeing well enough where the tape comes loose. But for example, instead of taking the whole washi tape with me, of course when you're doing something on camera, it doesn't come and cooperate. But I will take it and spread several different colors, several different types of washi tape, just down the length of my plastic ruler here, and then tear it. And then I'll take this and use this to actually cut the pieces I need for what I'm doing within my planner. And so I will often have one of these that has 4 or 5 different washi tapes as I'm planning a week or a month. Another thing that I use, I don't keep it on the cart all the time, but it's a little clip-on garbage can from Ikea. I find that when I'm moving from one place to the other, I tend to knock it off, but I like to have it. So that's my planning cart. It works for me, although it's a work in progress. I find that I'm constantly making changes. It's been this way for 4 or 5 months, but like I said, I'm constantly thinking of things I might do differently. So I would love to hear your suggestions. How do you organize your planner supplies? Do you have any suggestions for me on making this even maybe a little bit more efficient? I'd love to hear. Please comment below.